Hi there, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Caitlin, Sallie Tomato social media specialist. Today we are unboxing day 13 of our Holiday Advent Box. Day 13, thoughtfully chosen to inspire your holiday creativity this season. Visit our YouTube channel for tutorials and inspiration on how to use these items. On this day, you'll receive 1 yard of our gold metallic zippers, 1 yard of our silver metallic zipper, and a yard of our red and white striped zippers. You'll also receive our candy cane zipper pulls, and our jingle bell zipper pulls. Jingle your way into the holidays with these fun zipper pulls. These zipper pulls will work seamlessly with number 5 zippers to make a perfect holiday accent to your handmade bags. Zipper pulls are a fun way to customize and add a little something extra to your bag projects. If you would like to purchase next year's Sallie Tomato Advent Box, we've left a link in our description for you to sign up for our newsletter so you'll be the first to be notified when it drops. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you on Candy Cane Lane. Thanks for watching.